the candidature of the appellant to be appointed on the post of Armin because the appellant became overage as per the amended eligibility conditions incorporated in the recruitment advertisement in the middle of the selection process. Background. The gist of the dispute relates to the appointment of the appellant to the post of Armin pursuant to the release of the recruitment advertisement by the District Employment Officer, West Champaran, Bettiah. Based on the High Court's single-judge order, the appointment of the appellant was initially done in terms of the recruitment conditions mentioned in the advertisement, which fixed the age cutoff date as 40 years as of 1st of January 2011. However, the appellant's recruitment was challenged subsequently by another candidate/respondent number 8 before the division bench of High Court on the note that due to change in the age cutoff date from 1st of January 2011 to 1st of November 2011, the appellant no longer fulfills the eligibility criteria and have become overage. The division bench overturned the single bench judgment and cancelled the appointment of the appellant because he became overage as per the new eligibility conditions, which had fixed age cutoff date to 1st of November 2011. The division bench observed that though the advertisement at the district level did officially fix the cutoff date as 1st of January 2011, it was not considered sacrosanct since uniformity was required to be maintained. Uniformity was required to be maintained across the state with regard to the cutoff date fixed. Aggrieved by the High Court's division bench decision, the appellant preferred the civil appeal before the Supreme Court. Before the Supreme Court, it was contended by the appellant that the entire exercise of changing the recruitment conditions in the middle of the selection process is arbitrary, as the candidate to be considered for selection in accordance with the rules as they existed on the date of the advertisement, and not based on the rules changed in the course of the selection process. Supreme Court's observation. Finding force in the appellant's contention, the Supreme Court observed that the division bench of the High Court erred in reversing the single bench judgment. The court noted that the age cutoff date being fixed as 40 years to be reckoned as on 1st of January 2011, and not from the change date of 1st of November 2011. The court observed that the right of a candidate to be considered in terms of the advertisement stands crystallized on the date of the publication of the advertisement. Thus, any subsequent amendment to the advertisement during the course of the selection process, unless retrospective, cannot be a ground to disqualify a candidate. To this effect, the court referred to its earlier judgment of Muhammad Sohrab Khan v. Aligarh Muslim University and others, whereby the court did not approve the change of the criteria/qualification in the middle of the selection process by the selection committee constituted for filling up the post lecturer in chemistry in the university. The selection committee during the stage of selection, which is midway, could not have changed the essential qualification laid down in the advertisement, and at that stage held that a master's degree holder in industrial chemistry would be better